Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kinta, and today I would like to present a topic entity, processor, function, and structure, understanding the brain of a computer. Process, also known as the central processing unit or CPU, is one of the most important components of computer system. It is responsible for executing instructions, processing data, and controlling the activities of other hardware components. In the presentation, I will explain the function of a process, its internal structure, and how it works to perform various computing tasks. I hope this presentation helps you understand why the processor is often called the brain of a computer. Let's begin. What is the processing considered the brain? The brain, the processor is considered the brain of a computer because it performs most of the important operation required by the system. Whenever we open an application, browse the internet, play games, or edit documents, the processor is responsible for handling the text. Without a processor, a computer would not be able to execute interesting or process information. Therefore, understanding the processor is essential for understanding how computer works. Key points. The processor is often called the brain of the computer. It interprets instruction from software. It performs calculation and control system operation. It is speed and design after overall computer performance. The processor works like a manager. It receives text, makes decisions, and sends instructions to other parts of the computer. Why it matter? A strong processor can handle more work at the same time, which is improve multitasking, gaming, editing, and data processing. Next, what is a processor? Processor is an electrical component that execute instruction provided by software program. Its main responsibility is to retrieve data, process process it, and produce meaningful result. The processor acts as a communication center between memory, input device, output device, and storage system. Every action performed by a computer depends on the processor ability to execute in instruction quickly and accurately. Definition, input, dan output. Main function of a processor. The processor has three main jobs in a computer. Processor function. Fetch instruction from memory. Decode instruction to understand what action is needed. Execute the instruction using arithmetic, logic, or control operation. Store or forward the result for the next operation. Next, processor structure overview. The processor consists of several important components that work together. The main components include the arith logic unit, arith logic unit (ALU), perform calculator and logic comparisons, and control unit (CU) coordinates all operation inside the processor. Then register very small and very fast storage location inside the CPU. And last, chance stores frequently used data to speed up processing. Next, arithmetic logic unit, ALU. The ALU is responsible for math and logic operation. What ALU does? Uh, ALU does is addition, subtraction, and other arithmetic operation. Comprehension such as equal, greater than, or less than. Logic operation like and or and not. It is one of the busiest part of the processor. Example, when you calculate uh, 5, 5 plus 3 and a computer, the ALU perform the operation and send the result back to the processor. Control unit CU. The control unit direct and coordinate all processor activities. Main role, the CU tell the ALU register and memory what to do and when to do it. Simple ID, it acts like a traffic control inside the CPU, making sure every instruction move in the right direction. And register are tiny ultra-fast storage area inside the processor, where registers are important. The temporarily hold data, address, and instruction. They help the processor work fast than using main memory alone. Example include the program counter and instruction register. Fetch, decode, execute, cycle. Fetch, decode, then execute. The processor gets the instruction from memory, and decode the control unit interpret the instruction, and execute the processor performs the action and stores the result. Prevents vector, vector. Clock speed, how many cycle the CPU can perform per second. Number of core. More cores can handle more text. Chance size. Large chance, large chance can improve speed. Architecture, architecture. Better design improves efficiency. As the example, two processors might have similar speed, but the one with better sense and more core often perform better in real use. Application. Processors are used in almost every digital device. Have one laptop, smartphone, desktop, and other. If laptop, can multitasking, browsing, code, and editing. If smartphone is apps, camera, games, and communication. If desktop, workstation, gaming, and productivity. And other is robot, router, TV, and car. Conclusion. The process is the brain that make the computer work. The processor retrieve instruction, process data, and control other component its structure, especially the ALU, control unit, and register, make modern computing possible and efficient. Thank you so much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.